This is just going to demonstrate a basic single crochet stitch. So we've already done our chain. We have stitches chained here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I teach about crochet stitches, I like to use the analogy of a piece of graph paper. And graph paper is made up of squares, and squares on top of squares. So if this was graph paper, each stitch would be a square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we need to stack squares on top of this. But in order to get on top of it, we need to add a height. So to do that, for a single crochet, you will chain 1 stitch. Okay? So we're going to grab our yarn here, and we're just going to yarn over and pull it through and add 1 more chain for our height. Okay? Now because we're right-handed, we're always going to work right to left on our project. And a pattern will tell you, go into the second stitch from the hook. Well, we know what our stitches look like, right? Those are these V's. We're not going to go into this first V because that was our chain 1. We're going to go into this one here. All right, so we'll go right into the side of that stitch, and we'll yarn over and pull under that stitch, and we will yarn over again and pull under both loops. And that's our first single crochet stitch. Let's do it again. We've already gone into this one. You can see this nice big hole with yarn in the middle, so we've done that one. We want to go right here into the next one. So we're going to go into the stitch, yarn over, go under that stitch, and then we are going to yarn over again and go under both of those loops. That's our second single crochet. Okay, let's keep going. Go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull under that stitch, yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, and we have 2 more stitches to go. When you are doing these, make sure that you kind of take your time. We're not in a hurry, we're not in a rush. Being a beginner crocheter is not being a speed crocheter. Those are 2 completely different things. So when you go into your stitch, take your time. Make sure you get in the right hole. Okay, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull under your stitch, okay, yarn over, and this is where most people rush, is right here. They try to jerk it through those stitches, and when they do it, they accidentally pull one of these loops with it. We don't want to do that. Take your time. Pull it through 1 loop at a time. 1 loop, the next loop, and it goes through nice and clean and loose and no problems, okay? Last stitch, go into the stitch, yarn over, come through that stitch, and then yarn over and pull through both of those. All right, and we have finished our single crochet row. If you need any more help, let me know.